Hey everybody, another week, another shekel. My name is Jesse Cohen. Today is Sunday. These are the top 5 things I'll be watching this week in financial markets. Kicking things off with number 1. It's Christmas. We got a holiday shortened week on Wall Street. Equity markets and bond markets will both see a shortened session on Tuesday in observation of Christmas Eve, with Wall Street closing at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Bond markets will close at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Both markets will then be closed again on Wednesday in observance of Christmas Day, as everybody opens their gifts and gathers around the Christmas tree. Thursday and Friday, both markets will reopen. However, trading volumes are likely to remain lighter than usual, as most in the market have already closed books and headed out for the end of the year. On to number 2. US-China trade news will remain in focus as traders await to see if any more news materializes on that front. By far, the biggest story of 2019, and one of the main reasons why markets have had such a stellar year has been progress on the US-China trade front. We eventually got the Phase 1 deal earlier this month, and just over the weekend, President Trump said that the deal between the two sides will be signed shortly. All indications and likelihood is that the deal will be signed the first week of January, which should be good for risk assets and the rally to kick off early next year. On to number 3. With little on the economic calendar in the week ahead, durable goods orders will likely draw the most attention. The data comes out Monday morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. We'll be curious to see if the warming or the cooling of the U.S.-China trade tensions helped boost manufacturing and the ailing sector, which has kind of taken a hit over the past year. We're expecting 0.1% growth on durable goods orders, while core orders are expected to fare a lot better at 1.5%. Be sure to check on Investing.com's economic calendar for all times, dates, and forecasts on these releases. On number 4, staying on the economic front, we get initial jobless claims as well. That report comes out Thursday morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Markets will be keen to see just the health of the labor market. The data is expected to point to another strong week, which shows that the labor market continues to be one of the brightest points of the economy. And number 5, elsewhere over in Europe, fresh Brexit headlines will likely remain one of the key sentiment drivers, especially in markets overseas. Prime Minister Boris Johnson has until January 9 to ratify his new Brexit deal, which would likely lead to the UK exiting the EU at the end of January. That's it for me. May the trading guys be with you. Have a great week, everybody. Happy holidays.